What's up, guys? I am Gavin Law, reading the part of Dr.Evil in a movie from 1999, I think. Austin Powers, International Man of Mystery. He says it kind of goofy-like. I just wanted to add some realism to it. And so yeah, this is it. Very well. Where do I begin? My father was a self-improving lingerie owner from Belgium with low-grade narcolepsy and a penchant for buggery. My mother was a 15-year-old French prostitute named Chloe with webbed feet. My father would womanize. He would drink. He would make outrageous claims like he invented the question mark. Sometimes he would accuse chestnuts of being lazy. The sort of general malaise that only the genius possess and the insane lament. My childhood was typical. Summers in Rangoon, luge lessons. In the spring, we would make meat helmets. When I was insolent, I was placed in a burlap bag and beaten. It was typical, really. But when I was 12, I received my first scribe. When I was 14, a Zoroastrian named Volma ritualistically shaved my testicles. When I was 18, I went off to Evil medical school. When I was 25, I took up tap dancing. I wanted to be a quadruple threat.